Hi folks, great to see you. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I'm starting a new series on the blues. Blues on the piano. And I'm going to put out a video every day, Monday through Friday, and just take things one step at a time. So I encourage you to tune in every day and also to take whatever's in the lesson and practice it so you'll be ready for the next lesson. All right, in lesson number 1, I'm going to just start with the basic left hand pattern and the chords in the right hand and kind of the overall form of the blues. So let's get started. You have to know what to do with the left hand. It's just this. There's lots of things you can do. And that was 2 bars. Now the blues will go 4 bars in the key of C like that. And then we'll have 2 bars of F. And by the way, you don't have to go up to F. You could go down to F. That's 2 bars, and then you're going to come back for 2 more bars on C. Then G. Again, you could have gone down, then F. Now, only one measure each of G and F. So here's what it sounds like. G, 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. And the last 2 bars, you can do a turnaround. And we're going to do a turnaround, but we're going to play 1 bar of C. And then hit that C, and then that's our turnaround. That gets us back to the beginning. And then we're going to do it again, but this time we're going to add the right hand. And the right hand is going to do exactly what the left hand's doing, but it's going to add this middle note here. So it's a C chord, and then that's really an F chord, but the chord symbol is just going to say C7th. This is just kind of going back and forth between the 2 chords. Very typical a way of guitar players also play the blues. So. Starts over. So that's the 12 bars, and I'm going to keep these lessons pretty short because what you really need to do, especially if you're just starting off, is practice this over and over and over again between now and tomorrow, so that when we do tomorrow's lesson, you'll have a good foundation to build off of. So see you tomorrow.